When burnout, resistance, overwhelm, and perfectionism get in the way of your creativity, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why I created my Creative Empowerment Sampler, a free expanded workbook version based on the concepts of my included Inspirational Bookmark Trio. Three research informed, experience backed, supportive tools to help you gently restore energy, rebuild creative trust, and take a clear, manageable next step. Inside, you'll find the Reset Your Energy and Creative Flow framework, a step by step method for restoring your energy and focus, the keys to nurturing creativity to support sustainable inspiration and creative self trust, the creative exploration formula to shift from judgment to curiosity so you can create with clarity and alignment. This isn't another productivity tool to keep you stuck in the spinning wheel of too much doing. My Creative Empowerment Sampler Workbook is a grounded, free resource to help you gently realign with your unique creative rhythm. Download yours at yourcreativechord.com/get inspired here.